How to cut video in InShot app. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can cut video on the InShot app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to actually cut the video on the InShot app, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the InShot app, then tap on the video tab and then just select a video where you want to maybe add a cut or something like that. So once you select a video, choose the part of the video that you want to cut. So you can zoom in just like this, you can pinch in to zoom, and then just like this you can pinch out to do this, just to zoom in, right? So what you have to do over here is just select that media, then just look for the split button. So tap on the split button, then just move to the other part, again tap on split. So choose the portion that you want to delete, then tap on delete, then they will automatically get added over here. If you want to add a transition in between those, you can tap on this to basically add any sort of transition like this. Otherwise you can simply leave it just like that, and this way you will be able to cut video in the InShot app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.